What up? Jmo here. In this video, I've modified a graphics card, and it might have turned out well. Might have turned out kind of funky. Let me know what you think. The graphics card I have on the modifying table today is an ASUS GTX 650E that I picked up from eBay. This card has to fit inside a budget PC build. Check out that video. So the mount is custom for that. First things first, let's clean it up now that it's been tested and we know it works. Remove the cooling fan, unplug it, and then remove the heatsink. Let's get rid of all this old thermal compound with a paper towel and some alcohol. Make sure to wipe the heatsink clean. Okay, so with age, the compound gets a little difficult to remove, but keep at it, it'll come off. Okay, so I take a Q-tip soaked in alcohol, and I wipe it a bit more aggressively to get all of this thermal paste. Now that it's clean, let's reinstall the heatsink. Be aware of its orientation, because it only works one way. Thermal dab? Reinstall the cooling fan, and again, make sure the orientation is correct, or the fan shroud won't fit over it. And it will look stupid. Correct your mistakes, and set the fan shroud into place so you can see where it needs to be modified. I need the shroud to stop before the end of the card, so I've marked the plastic, and I'll set the card itself off to the side. I've drawn a curve here that should look natural, but before I can make any cuts, I've got to remove the lower layer, which is held on by a few plastic welded pegs. A cut-off wheel makes easy work of the plastic, and after a few gentle touches, the pieces let go pretty easy. A few more precise cuts removes the chrome trim. Now to follow our cut line. When we set the upper and lower layers together, it looks like we need to make a cut along the same line. but if we take a closer look, you can see the lower trim is actually only held on at this end by these two posts. A few short, straight cuts are all we really need. Snap it together, and if it looks good, sand your edges clean, and paint it to match the rest of your PC Master Race tactical build. While we wait for the paint to dry, we can reassemble the rear shield. But really don't! Wait and do this part until the end, because, you have to remove this again to get to some mounting screws. Reassemble! With the paint dry, looking nice and frosty, snap the pieces back together and motivate them to be friends again with the glue of your choice. This graphics card is ready to be screwed back together, and can probably make the Kessel run in less than 12 parsecs. I'm pretty happy with the way this turned out. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching. Leave a like or a comment, and tune in next time.